Assalamu alaikum grade 3, how are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates, your teachers. But no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today I am going to conduct your English reading class. Fine. So let's come to the date. Today the date is 21/12/2020 and the day is Monday. Okay class, as if I told you in the beginning that we are going to conduct English reading class, so you people know that we are going to read this book, Robinson Crusoe. You can see the picture of Robinson Crusoe over here. Fine. And you must remember that what is the story about. This is the story about a person, Robinson Crusoe, who wants to go to the ship journey. Fine. You can see over here the people are waving their hands to their beloved ones. Fine. So he insisted his parents to go to the journey of the ship, but they refused. So later on he ran away along with his friend. Okay. And then when he was having a journey on the ship, there was a thunderstorm there. बहुत तेज तूफान आ जाता है and the ship was about to drown. डूबने लगती है कश्ती. What happened? Fortunately, Robinson Crusoe was escaped and he came at the corner of the, he came to the coastal area. ठीक है? He took shelter onto the rock and the ship was drowning. What happened when the next day he woke up in the morning? He was calling everybody, but nobody was there for the help of Robinson Crusoe. And then he was thinking to go back and see over there what is going to happen on the ship. Fine. So I told you this picture the last time. I showed the picture of the cats and the dog and I asked you what is going to happen. So now let's start the reading of this page today. Now you can see over here, he's making a raft. ठीक है ना? R-A-F-T, raft. Raft is actually a wooden piece of boat, small boat, in which transportation of the furniture is going to be done or anything is going to be, transported. Now start to read. As he looked about the ship, Robinson Crusoe saw many other things that he wanted to take to the island with him. ठीक है ना? मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था, he was staying at the island. आइलैंड में रुका हुआ था. अब जब वो शिप में गया तो उसको बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें नज़र आई जो कि वो अपने पास आइलैंड में लेके जा सकता था, बिकॉज ही नीडेड सो मैनी थिंग्स. उसके पास कोई भी चीज़ नहीं थी. ही हैड टू मेक अ राफ्ट टू पुल ऑल द थिंग्स ऑन. उसको राफ्ट बनानी पड़ी. राफ्ट, दिस इज़ अ राफ्ट. ठीक है ना? राफ्ट इज़ एक्चुअली अ वुडन बोट. ठीक है? स्मॉल बोट को बोलते हैं जिसमें सारा सामान इधर से उधर लेके जाया जाता है. ठीक है? देन ही कॉल्ड टू द डॉग एंड द कैट्स एंड ऑफ दे ऑल वेंट टू द आइलैंड. ठीक है? अब वो डॉग और कैट्स को बुलाता है ताकि वो भी उसके साथ आइलैंड में चले जाए, बिकॉज नो द क्रीचर वॉज लिविंग. इट वॉज हार्ड वर्क फॉर रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो बट द डॉग एंड द कैट्स लाइक्ड इट. ठीक है ना? बहुत मुश्किल काम था उसके लिए राफ्ट बनाना, डेफिनेटली अलोन. बट दीज क्रीचर्स वर एंजॉइंग. यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ओवर हियर, व्हाट यू कैन इमेजिन. ठीक है? नाउ सी द डॉग, ही इज सिटिंग बिहाइंड हिम and he is watching actually the boat to be drowning. ठीक है? कश्ती को, शिप को डूबते हुए वो देख रहा है. Robinson Crusoe wanted to go out to the ship again the next day, but that night the storm came up again. वो वापस जाना चाहता था उस कश्ती में, ठीक है ना, कुछ सामान लेने के लिए, लेकिन क्या हुआ, फिर से तूफान आ गया समंदर में. ठीक है? So he could not go. There was a crash. Crash means एक धमाके की जैसी आवाज़ होना. ठीक है ना? Big bang. क्रैश होता है. रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो लुक्ड अप एंड सॉ हिज शिप गो डाउन इनटू द वाटर. ठीक है ना? वो देखता है, क्रैश होता है. किसका होता है क्रैश? यानी जो कश्ती, जो शिप डूब रही होती है ना, उसका धमाके किसी आवाज़ होती है और वो उसको शिप को पानी में डूबते हुए देखता है. ही वॉज सॉरी टू सी इट go, but pleased that he had taken so many of the things he wanted from it. ठीक है ना? बहुत उसको sorry means he was feeling so much sad to see the boat to see the ship drowning. लेकिन उसने thanks to God that he had taken out so many things from the ship. उसने बहुत सारी चीज़ें just like wood और बहुत सारी चीज़ें इस्तेमाल की उसने निकाल ली होती हैं. Fine. Okay class, I guess this much. Okay. Now just I'm going to show this picture to you. Fine. You can see this picture. And what is over here? This is a very beautiful sight over here. He has made a flag also. ठीक है? A large tree is here and a small hut is here. इसने एक living area home type बना लिया है. ठीक है? So now if inshallah in the next coming classes we'll go for the reading of this chapter. Fine. Till then you just imagine what is going to happen. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? इसने ये flag क्यों बनाया है? ठीक है? और ये हट क्यों बनाया है? सो वील रीड दिस इन द नेक्स्ट कमिंग क्लासेस. ओके क्लास, टेक अ वेरी गुड केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ. टिल देन अल्लाह हाफिज़ फ्रॉम माय